Bienvenue à l'aéroport de Oslo. Il est 16h15 en heure locale et la température est de 22 degrés. Nous vous prions de conserver votre ceinture attachée jusqu'à l'extinction du signal lumineux. Merci de prendre garde à la chute éventuelle d'objets lors de l'ouverture des coffres à bagages et de vérifier en nous quittant que vous n'oubliez rien à bord. Le commandant de bord et l'ensemble de l'équipage espère que vous avez effectué un agréable voyage. Air France et Amelia vous souhaitent une agréable journée. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oslo Airport. It is 4 p.m. and 15 minutes local time and the outside temperature is 22 degrees. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Be careful when opening the compartment as some oxygen may fall out. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have your personal belongings with you. Thank you for that today. The captain and the crew, we hope you have had a pleasant ride. Air France and Amelia wishes you a pleasant day.
Lahat nakabukas. Init ng aliron. Pwede na color juice. Pwede sa mga guys. Sabi sa Facebook na. Logo na pinukad siya. Balik dari apa na si anak sila Thor. Hindi lang niya ito sa akong mata. Okay lang sa akong mata. Libang ka no? Napaw.
balik diri ako pala na si ano, sila Thor. Kami ni
Kung di lang nihapdos akong mata. Okay lang sa akong mata. Libang ka no?
Napaw.
Hmm.
Gulo-gulo.
Init ka sila. Init.
Nakasarado na yung mga ano.
Wala, okay. Ulot niya ang buhok ko.
Ito yung view dito sa linarakaran namin. Makita mo yan, puro bato. Yan pala ang mga area dito, halos mga bato. Kaya lang mahirapan ka maggawa ng daan. Siguro yung paggawa nila ng daan dito, ginagawa nila ng blasting para gagawa sila ng daan. Tsaka marami din itong mga tunnel. Ito yung bus, so hintay kami ng bus mamaya. Di pala yun, ito yung grupo namin, biyahe ng bus na ito. Yan, kita mo yan, solid pa to. Ito kami sakay ng bus. Tsaka isa pa ka bus stop. Yan. May mga nilagay sila na para hindi mag stone latch, stone slide. So ito yung solid na bato. Yan. Doon pa tayo. Grupo natin. So ito na yung Hamburg City. Nandito tayo. So alis tayo dito. Hanap tayo ng ating hotel. So ito siya. Tabi tayo.
Alalayan di kay murag di ba. Taas kay chance malipat di.
Mabilin. Yan. So ito yung pinaka city ng Hamburg. Baba. Dami din mga turista. Dito tayo, bike lane yata itong nadaanan natin. Priority yung mga bike, may silang mga bike lane. Ito yung bike lane nila. Basta sa Europe may mga pedestrian ng bisikleta. So priority yung mga bisikleta dito kasi nag-generate din sila ng sa transportation yan. May mga double decker dito. So daan tayo dito. Yan. Pero tourist friendly siguro sila. Alam nila na hindi natin alam itong pedestrian ng bisikleta. Yan. Ito yung mga bisikleta. Yan, bisikleta yan. Bike lane ito. Kaya priority yun. Sila yung madaan dito. Ito na yung center din ng tourism. Daming mga tao. Or hindi ka mawala kasi yung area nila hindi masyadong complicated. May Peace Nobel Center doon, Yuko Ono ang nakasulat doon. Yan. Ganito karami yung mga turista. Saturday ngayon pero ang daming mga turista na nakapaligid dito, pang ibang lahi. May mga cruise ships din dito. Tsaka mga night ship lang. Naka-dock dito. May cotton balls. May sila dito. Candy. Joy Park. Naka-bus pala dito. Dami ding turista dito, Oslo. Tsaka mahal lang siya compared to other cities. Pero maganda. Pwede na siya. Affordable na siya. Meron ding tingnan natin. May tram. Ito isa din sa mga busy streets din dito sa Amsterdam. Dami pa rin tao dito. Paakuan pa rin tayo. Diretso pa tayo. Kita mo yung mga bisikleta dito. Marami kasing napansin ko lang, personal opinion, napakaraming bisikleta. Ito ang isa sa mga pinakamaraming bisikleta dito sa Europe. So dito siguro tayo, hanap tayo ng cruise ships. Dito tayo lakas naman. Galit na galit. Galit na galit siya. Dito sa kabila. Lakas, no? Ito.
Hey boss. Hey boss.
Shit tayo.
It's right over there. Over there, blue guys.
Blue guys.
So, punta pa tayo sa unahan. Ang dikit ng lugar dito. Sikit naman. Ganito talaga, ang daming mga turista. So, sa unahan pa tayo. Hanap tayo ng cruise ships natin. Blue guys daw yung hanapin natin. The blue guys. Ito na siguro. Ayan. Kapwisto na tayo. Ito na. Maganda. Negotiate tayo dito. Yeah. Alright guys. Good to see you. Alright. Where's the leather? Steers.
Can I give you a hand maybe? Sorry.
Yeah. It's okay? Can I take your video guys? Is that alright? Alright. Okay guys. There's our friend from Amsterdam. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Our friends from Amsterdam.
Where are you from?
United States. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time for my video. All right.
Are we gonna check it on YouTube?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, great.
Let me show you my YouTube channel. I have only 22,000 subscriber.
20.
This place here is more big, more water here. I guess this is a river. So this is a speedboat here.
Oh yeah, this way. You can swim like the swimmer. Would you swim in this water? Yeah, it looks very brown, but if I take glass out of it, it's quite clear because just the bottom is muddy, so therefore it looks brown, but it's quite clean actually. The Heineken beer, not anymore, but it was brewed with this water. That explains a lot. I mean, secret customers, they take a little glass of it and then take a sip to show that it's clear.
It's clear.
I like to do that.
It's like hot choco, huh?
Yeah,
you
if
gotta
you want
try.
to, you can go ahead.
But we don't have heater.
This is what we enter right now. The canal again. This is the most prestige canal. It's the most prestigious canal. It's the most wealthy people used to live here back in the day. And I say used to because right now it's so expensive that people don't even live here anymore. It's mostly companies that own the buildings. Take a look how beautiful and luxurious they are. I showed you the Princess Canal, which was, you saw that were very narrow houses, but these ones are a lot wider. I'll tell you a bit about the tax system. Because right now we pay tax on our income, right? The more we earn, the more we pay. However, back in the day when these buildings were built, it was not dependent on your house, but it was dependent on your income. Sorry, it was not dependent on your income, it was dependent on your house. So there were three factors. The first one being the width of your house. So the wider your house, the more tax you had to pay. The second one was the number of door steps leading to your front door. And the third one was the number of windows. So if you take a look at this house over here, see all these little windows.
Yeah. More
Windows in
expensive.
windows. For every little window, they had to pay extra tax.
Wow.
Exactly, this is just flexing. So this was just their way to show off their money. Because they didn't have Ferraris at the time. Or Rolexes.
So that's why they have so many stairs leading up to the door as well?
Yeah, exactly. So they have, you can also see a double staircase.
Yeah.
Doesn't make sense.
So
There were
they
two.
paid for that too.
So then one was for the woman, one was for the man.
Oh.
And the thing below was for the working people. But it was not only just for the sake of having steps to show up. But it was also since there were so many horses at that time, and they all just shit on the ground. So it was very nasty. It was a lot of poop everywhere. It was stinky. So it was also very convenient to live a bit higher. It's more clean as well. But if you have a double staircase, then it's just pure to maybe. It's quite expensive.
Yeah, right.
Shadow over back and forth. And there's this Why do we have someone facing you on the boat? Otherwise, you have to do that. You're not that tall. You're not as tall as you think you are. I guarantee you. If you weren't so faithful. I don't want to. I want you to. Why do you want me to? You're tall. You barely have to stand up. Take a look at this. How I think it's better for you. Also the one over there, in the corner, on the first floor for us and on the second floor for the Americans. You can see there's a tree inside of the house. See? Also in general the whole thing has a lot of plants, but I think this house is beautiful. I would not live in it.
That would be another. You want, no, that one's a little bit taller.
I can put princess in Are we gonna crash anyone? I think we're gonna crash.
You think so?
We are approaching with another boat here.
So
That's
if
bigger.
we crash into a boat, you
So
don't
we'll
really
see how it passes another boat. Look at this. Ito yung pinaka baywalk nila dito sa Oslo. Dito tayo sa pinaka city nila. Yan, ganda talaga tingnan. Tsaka ang daming mga cruises. Kasi yung sa history talaga, yung mga Norwegian, mahilig talaga yan mag-cruise. Yung Vikings, tsaka yung Norwegian cruise. Ayan, yan nakadak yung isa ka sailboat. Per hour lang yung nila dito. Cruise. Dinner time. Tsaka maraming mga hotels dito sa nandito. Tsaka daming mga turista din. Tsaka ito yung may mga restaurant dito. Sunbathing. Yan. Punta pa tayo doon. Maganda siguro dito kung mag-sunset, no? Maganda siguro tingnan itong bay na to. Fjord na kasi ito eh. Yung fjord kasi yung nag-melt na yung glacier, saka naging dagat or water. So ito na makita mo. Yan, yung mga nagsisenbating. Yan. Yan. Saka may mga Pilipino rin dito. Tingnan mo. Mga yan. Pilipino kayo?
Apo. Ready? Tagalog po.
Tagalog.
One,
Ayan.
two,
Tagalog yan sila. Ayan. Tingnan mo nga.
more.
Ayan.
One more. One
Ayan,
more.
mga Pilipino din yan.
One more.
Ayan. Marami din.
Tao pa na malikuro dito.